Hey, welcome back. Now, let's look at this question under product rule differentiation calculus. We have y is equal to sin x cos x, and we're asked to find the y dx. Of course, we know this is a product because it's in the form y is equal to u v. So we have y is equal to what sin x what cos x. Of course, we know these are product. Like I said, this is our u and this is our v. So we have it that u is equal to what sin x, and then we have it that v is equal to what cos x. All right. So now, what's going to happen, right? We're going to find the differentiation of this and differentiation of this because what? Because recall that what? That the y dx, right? For product rule, the y dx is equal to what? Is equal to what? V du dx plus u the v dx. All right. Now, so let's apply that. Now, so we're going to differentiate this. It becomes what? Du dx is equal to differentiate sin x. You have what? Cos x. All right. Differentiate. We're going to differentiate this. That's we're going to differentiate v with respect to x. So it becomes dv dx. So we're going to be left with what? Minus sine x. Please take note of that. Minus sine x is what we're going to have. All right. Because if you differentiate what? If you differentiate cos x, you're going to have minus sine x. So now, putting this into the formula, don't forget the y dx product rule formula says v du dx plus u dv dx. So it becomes that what? The y dx is equal to v. What is v? Cos x multiplied by what's du dx? Still cos x, right? Now, plus what is our u here? Our u is what? Sine x multiplied by what? What is our dv dx here? Minus sine x. All right. So this becomes that what? The y dx is equal to now cos x times cos x gives us what? Cos square x. All right. Then this times this gives us what? Minus what? Sine square x. All right. All right. This is what we have. All right. So now this is an answer actually. All right. This is an answer. All right. Or we can recall. All right. Can recall that what? Can recall from our trigonometric identities that sine squared x plus cos square x is equal to 1. All right, is equal to 1. Now, this is a trigonometric identity that sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. It's constant. Now, we can decide to make what cos square x is subject of formula or sine square x subject of formula because we have this. All right, any of them you can decide to make subject of formula. So let's make sine square x subject of formula. Now, if you make sine square x subject of formula, it becomes what? 1 minus cos square x. So we're going to, from here, all right, can say or recall that what? Sine square x, all right, plus cos square x is equal to what? 1. All right. So it means that what? Sine square x is going to be equal to 1 minus cos square x. All right. That's from here. So we can now put this into this. So we're now going to have the y dx is going to be equal to, now look at, you have cos square x minus sine square x. So I'm replacing sine square x now, the whole of sine square x with what? 1 minus cos square x. So it becomes what? Look at putting this here, you have what? Cos square x minus into brackets what? 1 minus cos square x. All right, so it becomes the y dx is equal to what? Now, minus comes in this minus, and then you have what? Cos square x minus 1. And this minus with this minus, you have what? Plus cos square x. So you have the y dx to be equal to what? Now, this plus this gives us what? 2 cos square x minus 1. So this is also an answer, and so on and so forth. We could also, depending on your options, probably if it was an objective question, all right, depending. But this is an answer, and this is also an answer, all right? All right. Make sure you watch more videos on this because I'll be uploading more videos on this, and hit the subscribe button. Thank you.